The suspect charged with kidnapping and murdering a 7-year-old Wise County girl was indicted for those charges. Hello, I'm Steve Eager.
Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes. Investigators say Tanner Horner confessed to strangling Athena Strand and led officers to her body. The capital murder and aggravated kidnapping indictments are the first major steps toward a possible trial. Fox 4's Dion Anglin has more from the indictments and joins us live. Dion.
Well, the case against Horner moves forward roughly 3 months after the shocking crime that ended the life of a little girl just before Christmas. 7-year-old Athena Strand's accused killer, Tanner Horner, is now formally indicted for capital murder and aggravated kidnapping. The Wise County court document states Horner did then and there intentionally cause the death of an individual, Athena Strand, by strangling and/or smothering and/or asphyxiating Athena Strand in the course of committing or attempting to commit kidnapping. Investigators say in early December of 2022, 31-year-old Horner, a contracted FedEx delivery driver, confessed to the killing and told detectives where to find the girl's body. Authorities say there is video evidence that shows Athena was alive and talking with Horner inside his truck. Horner told investigators he'd inadvertently struck the 7-year-old with his truck in the driveway of their home after delivering a package, but she was not seriously injured. He said he then panicked and killed her because he feared she'd tell her father.
You got to go back and completely investigate the defendant's background. I'm talking about from the day he was born until the day he found himself in this situation in custody, charged with capital murder.
Attorney Bill Lane is not associated with the case, but he gave us perspective on what a criminal defense might involve in a case like Horner's.
There appears to be a threat of some kind of diminished mental capacity issues dealing with him. But whether he had a troubled childhood, whether he had there was abuse in the home, I mean, there's just literally a list of 1,000 things that a defense lawyer has to look into before you can properly defend somebody in these kind of cases. It's a real uphill battle.
It was Athena's mom who tearfully explained to reporters days after the crime that the package Horner was delivering contained a Barbie doll set for Athena's Christmas. Maitland Gandy reacted to Horner's indictment with a statement saying, "I would like to thank the Wise County grand jury for their role in this process. Hearing the facts and circumstances of my 7-year-old daughter's kidnapping and murder was undoubtedly very difficult for them. I want them to know that their work is deeply appreciated." It is not yet clear if the Wise County DA will seek the death penalty for Horner. Attorney Lane offered insight.
I would think there would be a bit of a public outrage if they didn't seek the death penalty. But that's all remains to be seen. There's a lot of factors that go into that. There's a lot that you don't know and I don't know that could play into that decision.
Now, we reached out to the Wise County District Attorney to find out if it is considering or has decided to pursue the death penalty against Horner. The office has not yet responded.